Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nurin Fakia binti Azri. Today, I will be presenting about a real project management issue, which is an analysis of project management weaknesses in Melaka Smart Parking Initiative. This project was introduced to make parking payment more convenient through a digital apps, but several management issues affect its success. Firstly is the background of the project. The Smart Parking Melaka project was officially launched on 1 January 2018 by the Melaka Historic City Councils known as MBMB and together with the Hang Tuah Jaya Multiple Councils MPHTJ. The goal was to replace the physical parking coupon with a digital payment system to support Melaka Smart City visions. However, in 2024, the state introduced a new vision called Melaka Smart Parking, which begins full implementations on 2 October 2024 under all local councils in Melaka. This upgrade was meant to address earlier systems issues and modernize the city's parking management despite the goal's intentions. The project still faces several management challenges that affects user satisfaction. Next is the key challenge. The main challenge include weak of the project planning, which is there was no detailed user needs analysis before the development. Next, vendor management was poor because the project involved third-party developers who were not properly monitored. Also, this was a lack of public education so that there are many of users did not know how to use the applications. Lastly, the system data did not match the real parking availability, causing and confusions. The next slide is data and comparisons. There are many complaints were shared on the social media such as about a failed transactions, error to log in and cannot detect the real locations. In contrast, Selangor Smart Parking app succeeded because it was properly tested before launch and had clear user guidance. This showed that Melaka's main problem was poor risk and quality management. As known, Smart Parking Selangor was the successful examples of projects that Melaka should be imitated and take as an example, because they had a paced implementations, proper testings and active communications with the user. With this success of Selangor, Melaka could adapt similar approaches to strengthen its smart parking systems and improve the user satisfaction. Next is solutions, recommendations and theory that related. To overcome the issues in the Melaka Smart Parking projects, the teams should develop a risk management plan to identify and reduce technical problems early. Other than that, regular vendors audits and strong user testings are needed to ensure the system performs well. Next, public awareness program will also help to educate users before they try to use the applications, and while real-time data updates can improve accuracy and reliability. According to project management body of Knowledge Quality Management, most weaknesses occur during the planning and execution stage. So, continuous quality improvement is essential to build system stability and user trust. Lastly is conclusions. In conclusion, the Smart Parking Melaka project clearly shows how poor planning, weak supervisions and limited communications can affect a project outcomes. And effective project management is not only about technology, but it's also about managing people, risk, and quality. By applying structured management principles, Melaka can achieve a smarter, more efficient parking systems in the future.
So, that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video.